Receive that touch. Receive that touch. Receive that touch. I don't know what have touched your health, but hence God said He's touching that thing that defied touching you. Any hand that have touched your health, any wicked hand that have touched your health, God said it is touching that hand now. It is touching that hand now. Any man that have touched your finance, any man that have touched what belongs to you, heaven say that He's intervening up to that case now. Receive a touch in your finance. Receive a touch in your health. Receive a touch in your career. Receive a touch in your marriage. Amen.